just heard the talk so many times.
Today we're at New Barnes Farm down in Kent and we're visiting a couple of folks, Elvis and Kresse, and they run this wonderful farm, a farm with a difference. I'm normally on that side of the camera, so you have to bear with me, but we've got Em on the controls. Say hi, Em. So let's go and check it out.
So this is our main raw material. This is where it all started. This is decommissioned fire hose from the London Fire Brigade, but we now rescue it, turn it into a textile, and it's how we make our bags and our wallets and our belts. I think it was in 2010 when we worked out that London wasn't throwing away any more of its fire hose to landfill. We were taking all of it, which was a pretty proud moment for Kresse and I.
100%.
Yeah. This is, I think, the thing that Kresse and I are most proud of. This is our wetland sewage treatment system. Black and grey water is cleaned and purified here. The water at the bottom, which we test on a 2-yearly, is that biannual? Anyway, twice a year,
Yeah.
twice a year, is bathing quality water. You know, we have the vineyard now. The great thing about our business model is that we have all these complementary parts to it, so that if you're having a slightly difficult time with one, hopefully you're having a good time with another, and you create then a sustainable business.
Can I ring the bell?
You can ring the bell. There's so much biodiversity.
Yep.
So you'll see butterflies, you'll see 10, 20 different species of plants, not just grass and vines. So constantly we're trying to create a balanced ecosystem so that nature is just managing everything itself.
Mm-hmm. And reusing some hose here and there?
Yeah. I can guarantee there's no other vineyard in the world that's got fire hose as it's the part of its trellis system. But yeah, we reuse absolutely everything. There are things that you can do. They are unconventional, they are untested, and watch this space. When the first vintage comes.
I look forward to trying it. So how far off are you getting an actual bottle in your hands?
We think that we will have our first vintage in 2027. So 3 more years.
So thanks for showing us around the vineyard. Can we go and have a look at some of the operational stuff that you do with the wood and the hoses?
So the B Corp plaques in particular, we can do that. So in this barn is where we keep our raw material, which is old scaffold boards. I'll get one out and we'll take it through. Okay, so that's your basis of your B Corp plaque. With the B Corp plaques, so they're made from the waste scaffold boards, but the actual B is made from our decommissioned fire hose. Okay, so this has now been sanded and painted. Proud to meet high standards of environmental and social performance. Okay. We come to the next working station. Okay, now we let that dry. So we make a B Corp plaque for all of the recently certified B Corps. You are so recently certified that we actually haven't got July's list yet, but we know that you're going to be on it, so why don't you choose one and you can save the postage and take it away with you today.
Kresse, thanks for having us over to Elvis and Kresse today. One of the reasons that we're here is because you make these fantastic plaques for becoming a certified B Corp, which the Small Green Studio is now. What advice would you give that we've just started on our journey with B Corp?
This is going to be a group of businesses that you're going to want to trade with, you're going to want to work with, because there's a level of trust that's been established by the certification itself. I think it's also a great community to learn from. So things that you'll have noticed in your certification process where you might have seen a little weakness here or a little weakness there, the solutions for those weaknesses or the strengths that you might find are from within the community too. So I think that's the best advice I can give, is to just dive in and find the friends and the help and the trading partners from within that community.
Thanks so much for talking to us, and we've really had a lovely time looking around, and it's just made me want to buy pretty much all of your fantastic products, so thanks very much.
No, you're welcome, and we don't want you to go without your plaque, so
Oh, right, yes.
here it is.
Thank you very much.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you, and we can definitely save the postage now.
Absolutely.